Here's how to properly set up and maintain your bottle jack so it works safely and smoothly. First step is inspection. Before you use the bottle jack, just make sure the hose is not split, there's no damage to the hose, all the fixtures and fittings are on tight, and the air motor is also secure and tight and there's no movement in the air motor. If there is any movement whatsoever in that air motor, then there's a small nut underneath here that you can just quickly tighten that up. Step 2, prime the air motor. Just before using the bottle jack, use some air tool oil. Just drop a few drops of air tool oil into the end of the fitting. Once you've done that, connect it to the air and run it for a couple of minutes, and then the bottle jack is primed. Step 3, bleeding the jack. If the jack has been transported or tipped over, it can cause air to get trapped inside. Here's how to bleed it. Close the valve and then pump the jack 10 times. Once that's done, locate the filler bung. Pop this open with a screwdriver or a pair of pliers. Check and make sure that the oil level is just below this hole. If it's too low, just top up with hydraulic oil. Once that's completed, open the valve and again jack the jack for up to 10 times. Then replace the bung and the jack is then now ready for operation. Step 4, performance issues. If the jack isn't lifting as fast as it used to, it could be a build-up of dirt in the pressure reducing valve. Take 2 spanners, remove the valve and make sure it's clean. For full written instructions, please scan the second QR code on your bottle jack. Step 5, how to replace the arrows. Use a 17mm spanner and undo the nut. The arrows will come as a complete unit. Make sure you put some PTFE tape on the new hose you're replacing, put back onto the air motor and tighten back up. So when the jack's underneath the truck, it's just nice and easy just to pull it with a rubber hose, but that's not the correct way to do it. By pulling it with the rubber hose, it causes the jack on an even ground to tip. It also puts extra stress on this mechanism, and when it's tipped it can crack this top housing here and damage the pump mechanism and also cause air in the bottle jack. So always the best way to do this is to use the yellow jack pole. The yellow jack pole is nice and easy. Hook around the handle and then just pull out underneath the truck. Keeps you nice and safe and keeps the jack in working order.